1,000 subscribers? Are you kidding me? Not in my wildest dreams I thought we'd get this far. But we did. And I couldn't have done it without your help. John, Greg, Justin, the other John, and Ryan. Those are the names. I don't know everyone else's name because they're just screen names, but thank you so much for your support. I love the camaraderie. I love the comments, the questioning, the support mainly. Just so this is what this hobby is all about. And I appreciate you. So, on other news, you guys probably know I can start advertising, or YouTube can start advertising, so I can make revenue to pay for some project parts. That'll be cool. I also started a little mini merchandise line, so there's a link below for shirts. The logos aren't this wide, they're shorter. This is just a prototype. And I also have masks. So if you're in dire need of an FMG mask, by all means. Oh, but seriously, thank you guys so much for the support. And until the next video, you guys know the drill. Build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.